guys, welcome to Do You Beauty. My name is Danielle and welcome to my very first video. Granted, I know I'm a little late to the start, but I've been watching YouTubers blossom for many years, and being a photographer, it's always kind of been in my blood, but I guess you kind of just gotta get the nerve to be the one in front of the camera instead of behind the camera. So it's taken me a while. I have always been into makeup. I've always watched my mom when she, was raising me and my sister do her makeup, and people in school doing their makeup, and flipping through catalogs and going on the web, and Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and everything. If you guys can hear that, I am very sorry. My boyfriend is upstairs doing carpentry work in the attic, and my toilet is squeaky. If you haven't already noticed, I'm filming in my bathroom because I have not got my station downstairs set up yet. I have my camera, I have my backdrops, I have the lighting, but it's just a matter of getting everything set up. So I apologize, it's temporary, but we'll get there. But anyway, welcome to the first video on YouTube. So I decided that since it's technically in Ohio 10:14 p.m. I have been ready or been at work all day. So, and then I just realized that I was not videoing probably 20 minutes of said video. So, we're going to do a get ready with me to go to bed kind of ordeal, or, a reverse get ready with me, where I basically am taking off all of my makeup that I've been wearing for 12 plus hours. So, while doing a Q&A and kind of getting to know each other. So, within the last 10 minutes, I've already taken off my lashes and my shadow. So, shout out to Babs Beauty. I have fun fact. I actually graduated with Babs Beauty, who is another beauty guru on here. She is absolutely beautiful. She's fantastic. If you watch her video, she's very informative. She's very precise. Now, she'll tell you that she's not a professional, but is anybody a professional, really? So we all kind of started somewhere. But yeah, I graduated high school with her, and I remember, like, back in middle school, everybody had their own kind of clique, and I remember, her and a couple other girls, I remember telling myself, she's so pretty. Why can't I be that pretty? And, back then you don't really think about your inner beauty or how beautiful you are already. So, I was kind of, she was an idol of mine, I guess you could say. And she still is. She's come a long way. I don't personally know her, I wouldn't say, because her and I were never really, I guess, friends, so to speak. But I kind of feel like I know her. I mean, I watch her YouTube videos. She's on my Snapchat. I kind of chit-chat with her a little bit here and there, but not really. She's always making posts of her husband doing crazy things at home, her and her husband just playing with dogs, or whatever. But she's a huge inspiration. So if you guys watch this, I will have her YouTube channel linked down below in the description. Be sure to give a shout out and say hello to her, and subscribe to her channel as well as mine. And let's go ahead and get started on getting this makeup removed. So, and just to let you know, I am using just a regular off-brand micellar water. I used to use the makeup wipes, but I've I guess I've found over the years that it's really just a waste of money, because you end up wasting half of the product that you use. So, and they dry out and that sort of thing. So I just use micellar water and a, kitchen towel, I guess you could call it, which also helps exfoliate your skin. So I just scrub my face like this and get all the makeup and all the bronzer and the highlighter and the eyeshadow and the mascara off. And then, of course, I wash my face too. Bear with me a moment and I'll show you what I use to wash my face. Okay, so as far as cleansing my face, I actually use the So this is my absolute favorite, hands down. I mean, you couldn't pay me to change face routines with this. This is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Facial Scrub. It is age-defying exfoliator, renews skin radiance. It renews the skin radiance, polishes and smooths, helps diminish the look of fine lines. This stuff, I got this in a, what was it? Son of a gun. Dang. Okay, I can't remember. I got this in a subscription of some sort. I can't think what it's called right offhand. But when I remember, I'll link it down below. And I got this bottle, and it's lasted me like months. It still has some left in it, but not very much. It is kind of pricey. I'll link the pricing down below. I know that they sell it at like Sephora and Ulta, and many other stores too. But I'm telling you, he has a whole line of this stuff, and it's absolutely fabulous. So if you're looking for a good microdermabrasion, it really cleans the skin. This is what you're going to want to use. So also on the back it says, basically you dampen the skin with warm water, slowly and gently massage cream onto skin for 1 to 2 minutes, avoiding the eye area. Rinse well, pat dry, 1 to 2 times per week, 3 days between applications. So it's really good. This is 2 ounces. So, and a little bit goes a long way because there's so many microdermabrasion beads in here. They're so finely milled or finely crushed that you really don't need a lot. So, but yeah, normally I wash my face with that maybe every other day, and I lotion. Sorry, I thought he was coming downstairs. Okay, so I got all my makeup wiped off. What else? Normally I use lotion. Now I have 2 different lotions that I like to use. The Suave Soothing with cocoa butter and shea. I don't know if you guys can see that. I like to use that. That's for hydrating, which I have dry to normal skin. I'm not usually oily, so. And then the other stuff that I have that I really, really like. Now this is hand lotion, but it's by Spa Luxtique. It's calming lavender. It's nourishing hand cream, which is enriched with shea butter. It's 1 fluid ounce. And I actually got a whole pack of these for Christmas. But, I mean, it smells amazing. It's not thick, like super thick, but it's also not thin. Sometimes with lotions, I feel like if it's too thin, it doesn't really go into the skin. So, like, after I wash my face or full exfoliate or, whatever, then I just like to go in. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like lavenders. But then I like to just go in and moisturize. Making sure to get every section of my face. Oh, this stuff smells amazing. I'm gonna have to find another big bottle of this stuff. So, there's that. And that's really it. I mean, I just basically wash my face, exfoliate, and then I let my face rest overnight. And that's it. So, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be posting maybe twice a week for right now until I can get everything set up. And then I'll start posting more as I get into the YouTube life, I guess. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think and what you guys would like to see more of. Any video suggestions I'm open to, especially trying new things, challenges, anything you guys want to see, let me know. Okay, guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.